Morning. Our lesson for today is about step graph part 2. The objective is to draw a step graph. With the first example. As you can see here, it's the visitors parking fee at Al Wahda Mall in Abu Dhabi. And the question is to draw a graph to show the visitors parking fee. In my graph, I have to take into consideration that the maximum time that is shown here in this table is 8 hours plus, so I need more than 8 hours. The maximum fee that it's shown here is 150 dirhams. So vertically, I'm going to put the fee. It should be more than 150 dirhams. The time, I'm going to put it horizontally, the parking fee vertically, and then I'm going to start drawing my steps. The first one, it is from 0 to 3 hours. It will be free of charge. Free of charge means it's exactly on the x-axis. I don't have to go up to the y-axis. Then 3 to 4 hours is 10 dirhams. I have to see where is 10 dirhams on the vertical line and draw a horizontal line from 3 to 4 hours. The third information that is given, 4 to 5 hours is 20 dirhams. Find where is 20 dirhams in the vertical line and draw a line horizontally next to it from 4 to 5 hours. 5 to 6 hours is 30 dirhams. So I have to do the same thing. Then 6 to 7 hours, 50 dirhams. I have to go up to 50 dirhams and draw a horizontal line from 6 to 7. And then 7 to 8 hours is 100 dirhams. Go next to 100 dirhams and draw a line from 7 to 8. Remember that the steps are horizontal lines. Then 8 hours plus is 150 dirhams. Next to the 150 dirhams, from 8 hours, I have to make an arrow going to the right side to show that it can be 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. The next example, I have this table. It's representing the mass in kilogram and the cost of a parcel post in the same country, in a home country. And the question is to draw step graph to show charges against mass for the home country. I have to show the x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis is maximum till 20. The cost is maximum till 8 pounds. So the horizontal is the mass in kilogram. The vertical is the charge in pounds. And I want now to start plotting my points. Since I have here decimals in the cost, which means in the y-axis, I must know each small square, each small interval, what does it represent? From 0 to 1 in the vertical line, I have 5 small intervals. If I divide 1 by 5, it will be 0.2. So every small interval is 0.2, which means 1 square after the 1 is 1.2, then 1.4, then 1.6, and so on. Let us start with the first one. From 0 to 0.5 is 1.40 pounds. I have to go to 1.40 and I have to make a horizontal line from 0 to half on the horizontal axis. Then 0.5 to 1 is 2.50 pounds. Go to 2.50 pounds and draw a line from half to 1 horizontally. If the mass is between 1 and 2, it is 3.20. Find where is 3.20 and draw a horizontal line from 1 to 2. If the mass is between 2 and 3, it is 4.60. Find the 4.60 and draw the horizontal line. Do the same for 3 to 5, 5 to 10 kilograms, and then 10 to 20 kilograms. We are done with the new lesson. I want you now to take into consideration what will be the assignment for tomorrow. You have 2 assignments. The first assignment that you have to submit it by tomorrow will be page 87, questions 3, part B only, and question 6. There is another assignment that it will be due on Saturday. This assignment, you have to submit it, but it will be discussed on Sunday's Zoom meeting. It is page 87. You choose either to solve a question 4 or to solve a question 5. You learned today how to draw a step graph. Thank you, grade 8 students, for watching the video. Miss you all.